Alright, so this is a service called Vagex.com, and what I will do is to make a basic tutorial so that you can see what's inside. Then you can make a decision yourself if you want to use this service or not. I hope this video is going to be of help to you. Before we dive in, I want to make a short introduction. And my name is Anders Larsson, and I'm an online marketer from Sweden. What I do is to create small tutorials about different services, and this allows me to make money online. Not by using these services, but by helping people save time. If you are interested in knowing how I make money, and this is very simple, then stick to the end and I will explain how you can do the same. Without further ado, let's dive into Vagex. Let's use a temporary email, and I would like to sign up, please. And let's sign up. Please press the form below to verify your account. Right, so I'm pressing the form, but I believe this is a crappy description, so I think they mean that I need to enter the number 6366 and verify. Alright, so I believe the reason for this is because I'm behind a VPN and I use privacy. So you have to know that there are bots creating a lot of accounts. So they are forced to use a blacklist with banned proxies or VPN. Alright, so I'm now inside Vagex.com. Right, every 30 seconds, 6 credits are removed. I'm only interested in views and click add. So this video is now submitted and I have 0 credits. So it looks like this is now running. I can stop it and then resume. Let's click the menu and then we have start watching. So now this video is running and it says that I need to start the timer. So it's this button and I didn't even click it. It automatically sensed my mouse cursor. Alright, so now I'm finished and I can only do 40 views per day. Is it possible to open the menu in a new window or a new tab? 2 views, and
Hi folks,
I need to go to the timer to start it, and again I don't have to click. And here we can see that I earned 10 credits the first time, 5 the second time. So does it sense if I switch to another tab and then I click menu and members area, still 0 views? Alright, so I think I know why they want me to click the start timer here. That is because if I open a new tab, then it means that I don't physically watch the video. So that is a pretty smart solution. I'm sure there are ways to get around it, and I can, in SlimYet, I can use mute site so that I don't have to mute every time. It might be that I need to click refresh. No, still no views. So this guy wanted me to watch over 120 seconds. It's an interesting solution to make it more reliable that someone really are watching the video. There should be a check in intervals, because I can just move to another tab and that will count. It is pretty understandable that they don't like people to sign up using a VPN or proxy, because you only have the limit of 40 views. So 120 seconds is 20 creds earned. I tested to sell credits, so I have 65 now. If I want to sell it, well, it didn't work the first time, but maybe if I earned them by doing work, because remember I had 60 credits immediately when I created this account. So nothing is happening if I try to sell anything. I am looking things up on Google about selling credits because I wanted to learn more. And this guy is selling 3,000 credits for $5. Black Hat World, 20,000 Vagex credits for $5 and 20,000 credits for $4 if you buy it directly on Vagex. If I look up Vagex credits on YouTube, then you can see that pretty much nobody's talking about that, and it is about 9 years ago. So what I believe is that you really can't sell credits, and people resort to sell the accounts instead through Fiverr or through communities. Alright, so now several minutes has passed, maybe 10 or 20 minutes, not sure, but I lost track. But you can see that there are simply nobody viewing this video. Views per day, 102,000. Not sure what's going on. Maybe it's kind of a drip feed solution. What if I add the same video again, and then I set it to 1,000 views, and this says 75, and add. Alright, this video is already in our system, so they check that. Anyway, I don't know what's going on here. Maybe it is temporarily broken, but now you know a little bit more how this service works. So let me show you how I earn money creating these videos. It is very simple. I basically show people, for example, what's inside a service. I help people save time doing this. And because I know that people that use this kind of service most likely are struggling, they try method after method, reading people's recommendation in communities. So I read a post on Black Hat World. This was in 2013. This guy didn't see the views that he got from Vagex. Another guy has the same problem. So you two know what they are up to. And now it's 2022. Some people says that if you have subscribers from Vagex, they immediately unsubscribe. So basically people using Vagex are only there for views and likes and subscribers. But when you start to receive video recommendations of videos that they are not interested in, because let's face it, they subscribe to other people not because their content was interesting. They subscribe because they want the credits. And you have to know that people on communities like Black Hat World, they are trying, they are really struggling, but they try one method after another, and maybe a few of them manage to crack it. But guys, it doesn't last. You are going against the flow. It is really not passive income, but what is passive income is uploading videos that people can benefit from. And because they are not getting anywhere, because they are struggling, they might just listen to my recommendation. This can be your recommendation as well, because if you give people what they want, if you help people solve a problem, then of course they are interested in knowing more, what you do and how you make money. So what I do in my videos is recommending people to click the link in the description. Let me show you. It's so easy. So here I have an old video, and I recommend people to click this link. This will take them to my landing page, and then I recommend people to either click the red button here or sign up to my free video training. Honestly, I need to revamp my video training because it is old, but click the red button here, and then you get redirected to Online Business Builder Challenge. And this is one of the landing pages that this system provide. So enter your first name and your email and click the green button, and you will receive instructions how to set up your business. It requires a small investment to qualify. It's about the same as you pay for a cup of Starbucks, but when you qualify and go through the training that you will receive, you also have access to a personal coach, and they can help you out with any questions that you have. But remember that I am also here, so if you are interested in modeling what I do, then don't hesitate to connect with me. Helping people out gives me inspiration. If you learned something of value in this video, then why not smash the like button? Also, if you want to receive more videos like this, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any future videos that I release. Thank you for taking your time watching this video. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.